Welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase o and also look at some words that begin with the letter. So let's begin. To write lowercase o, start in the lower part of the two lines and draw a circle, like this. Now let's look at some words that begin with the letter. O for open. O for all. O for oboe. O for old. And O for orange. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.